Igama lami nguMoses Dube. Ngizela ukubonga uNozipho ngibonga icebo lethu indlela elisifundisele yena ngayo kusukela phansi e-primary kuze kuzofika loku esesevasithi ezezothola lezi ziqu. Sasingenawo amandla ngoba sinabazali nathi abangasebenzi. Cela icebo lethu liqhubeke likwenze nakwabanye njengoba belenzekile.
Ngibonga kakhulu ama-Roda Girls ngendlela asiphathele ngayo umntwana kusukela ekuqaleni qala ukungena bamukela ngezandla ezimhlophe bangikhulisela yena. Wakhula nesimilo, sambonga kakhulu ukuthi bayakwazi ukukhulisa intombazane ukuthi ihlale ngentombazane kuze kube yimanje. Bayiphatha kahle ngenxa yokuthi wayifundiswa ukuyiphatha, bayafundiswa nokuthi umsebenzi bawenza kanjani. Bevuka ekuseni benikezwe imisebenzi ukuthi bekwazi ukuzondla. Bebonakala ukuthi intombazane mayivuka ekuseni makuvalwa ikole ayihlale ekhaya kodwa iyasebenza. Bebanika umsebenzi basebenze. Bathe besuka lapho bangikhulisela yena wafunda waze wafika lapha e-university. Namhlanje ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ekutheni basigcinele yena kwaze kwaba yimanje njengoba ethola iziqu zakhe. Sibonga ama-Roda Girls, sibonga Cebo Lethu Foundation. Siyabonga.
I joined the program in 2017. I was only 14 years old, doing grade 9, and I didn't know much about the career I wanted to go to. But after joining the program, I got to get career guidance. I gained confidence while I was in the program. I gained mentorship, and I also gained financial assistance. As a result, I completed my law degree with distinctions. I wouldn't have done this without the Roda Girls program. I am very grateful to Cebo Lethu Foundation for the assistance they've given me. Who would have ever thought that a young girl from a disadvantaged family and coming from a rural background will one day be here and graduate with a law degree.